Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm compiling Salesforce CPQ interview questions. So this is part 1. I'll be uploading more videos related to Salesforce CPQ to cover all interview questions. So let's go and get started. In order to learn Salesforce CPQ, what you have to do, you need to sign up for a developer edition org with the Salesforce CPQ. So here are the steps that you can follow in order to create your playground with the Salesforce CPQ. So these I have taken from the trailhead. So you can also refer the same, or you can just see these steps, right? So let's go and get started with the interview question. What is Salesforce CPQ? The fundamental function of the Salesforce CPQ is to code quickly and accurately. What CPQ stands for? CPQ stands for configure, price, and quote. The idea behind configure is to add the right products on to the code and eliminate the chances of adding incompatible products onto the code. So sales, we are helping the sales staff in configuring the right products so they can quickly add the products and send it over to the customer in send it over to the customer through code document, right? So, and what is price? How do we make sure that we have correct pricing for the product? There are different ways of adjusting price on the code through volume based discounting, custom build discounting, etc. So CPQ take care of every calculation and pricing, so sales reps can just focus on selling process. And quote, what is code? So this is a PDF document that you give it to your customer. This PDF is very professional and customer facing document. All the information drawn from the code record. We can also combine e-signature for faster closure of the deal, right? CPQ does have other things too, like advance approvals, order and contract generation, amendments and renewals. So, and CPQ is really easy with so amendments and renewals are really easy with the Salesforce CPQ. So CPQ knows the starting point, what customer has already purchased for any additional subscription based product. CPQ does the calculation on the pro rata basis for the remaining term and makes the calculation really easy, and sales rep can send the code to the customers in no time. And with the renewal opportunity, CPQ auto generates the renewal opportunity and quote based on the previous subscription terms that customer had started with. It makes the process really easy for the renewal team. So before starting the new subscription term, renewal team review the renewal opportunity and quote before presenting it to the customer, right? What is bundle and why we use bundle? So bundle is basically bunch of products that are sold together as a set. For example, your company is selling laser printer, and selling that product might not be very useful. And customer basically look for toner cartridge, paper, printer paper, etc. So also that is important for the company. That way company can upsell the products and also kind of helpful to the customer that is suggesting the right products, right? So bundle is very important. To create bundle, you choose lead product, then use the related object called option to tag other products. So in the below example, I have taken this from the trailhead. So laser printer, then option one, you will go to the related, first you go to the product called laser printer, then you go to the related object called option, where you create the option one printer toner, option two printer paper, option three printer tray, as on, right? And so here are the steps that I have taken from trailhead again. So that you need to follow in order to create a bundle. Like you go to the product in the navigation bar, then choose all product list view, click on the lead product, like in this case copy machine, click the related tab. In the option related list, click new, in the option SKU field, you have to, you want which product you want to tag under the lead product, like in this case copy binding module. And then you set the order number field, enter 10, and you can make the product selected, required, and you can also give the pre-quantities that will appear on the product configuration page. And you can make it either a quantity editable by giving like as a true or false, right? So these are the things that you can do, primarily on the option object, right? What are the different types of bundles? So there are three types of bundles available: static bundle, configurable bundle, nested bundle. So static bundle, bundles which cannot be changed. The product and quantity combination is always same and has to go together, and there is no question asked. Sales rep has to, cannot change anything when he's going with the static bundle. And in the configurable bundle which is configure, means sales reps can keep or remove product and edit the quantity, right? So in the previous example, that was the case of configurable bundle. And you can also set up nested bundle, so where you keep the bundle inside another bundle. So example, like there is a big bundle, like laptop bundle is your big bundle, and laser printer, you can keep the laser bundle inside that bundle. So that way you can create a nested bundle, and as per your business requirement, right? Determine how bundle quote lines behave after configuration. So there's a field on the option object called quote line visibility. So that determines when options are seen after the configurations, basically. So if you make the quote line visibility as document only, so that means the the options will be seen only on the code document and not on the code line editor. And if you make it editor only, it will appear only on the code line editor, right? And if you make it never, then it will not show up on the both options, and always is the default. It will appear both on the code line editor as well as on the code document. What happens to the bundle option means product? If we increase the quantity of the bundle, will it be a factor of the bundle quantity? So this will determined by the option type field. So this option type field is again available on the option object and the font type field. And there are three, it is a picklist field, and there are three values under it: component, um, accessory, and related. So if the type is component, CPQ multiplies the option quantity by the bundle quantity and logs the result. So if the component type is basically, if the option type is component, if you are making the bundle quantity like 2 or 3, it will basically factor the bundle quantity on the related options. If the type is related, accessory, the related if the type is related accessory, product will stay as it is, as this is independent of the bundle quantity. So like installation and other services that you are giving, that is irrespective of the bundle quantity, so it will remain same. CPQ uses this option quantity and regardless of the bundle quantity and logs the result. So it will basically remain same. It will not impact if you increase the bundle quantity. If the type is related product, CPQ uses the option quantity regardless of the bundle quantity, but allows changes after configuration, right? What are features? We use features to organize options. Through feature, we can also enforce some behaviors on the options. Like you can enforce user to select at least one of the following option, or you can also create option selection method, or you can assist sales rep by adding text into a feature, like some additional instructions like that. So I hope you like the content. Soon I will add some next part and add some cover all the CPQ related interview questions. So thank you guys. I'll see you in next video. Bye.